Hi, this is to show you how to change your wiper blade. It's raining season right now, so how do you change your wiper blade by yourself? Do it yourself on your Honda Pilot. Just pull this up and then go to the edge here, right here. This is a clip, so you pull up the clip, pull it up. Yep. So the clip comes up, and that's it. It makes it very easy. Just push it down. Just push this the wiper down, and then it comes up like this. And then this is the new one I want to put in. It's a Duraplast. It's a Duraplast hybrid. So because it's a hook, but it has different options, but this is a hook, so you just pull this forward, pull it forward, and it lifts right up. And it gives you access to the groove on top. And then you can slot the hook right in. That's it. And then you clip it right back in. And you're good to go. Thank you. Yep, that's it. It's functional, so you can do it yourself. You don't have to take it out. You can buy each one for about $22 each. Usually the driver's side is much more longer than the passenger side. The driver's side is usually around 24 inches, and then the passenger side is usually about 22 inches. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks.